So you can check the mesh quality from the general task page and then click on the check and the report quality, which we did in the previous lecture. And number of nodes are 23,099. They are half the number of nodes in the CFX case, because in the CFX case we have to extrude the mesh by the one cell, so it will double the mesh nodes on the CFX case. Problem thing is that there should be no negative volume, so I told you that where you can check it. So from the check you have to see the minimum volume. So these lines are wrong, so this should go on this way and this line should be indicating on this side. So minimum volume should be a positive quantity, should not be negative quantity, and the quality should be greater than the 0.01. So as you can see here, the aspect ratio, or we call as edge length ratio in the CFX, is 2628, and the CFX is 4056 because we extrude the cell in the one direction and it's a very long length. That's why it is making the aspect ratio higher in the CFX. We'll discuss in the workshop number 5 about the CFX. And the minimum orthogonal quality is the 0.01 and it should be greater than the 0.01. So we are okay with everything here. So you can see here, if I check the mesh, so minimum volume is 10⁻⁹ and 6.8 times. And then second thing is the report quality. So aspect ratio is 2628. Also you can check the info about the mesh size. So the number of nodes are the 23,099 and faces are the 45,000 and number of cells are 22,780. They are approximately equal to the number of nodes. So for tetra mesh we will have the number of nodes equal to the 5 times 1 by 5 times of the cells. So for one node we will have the 5 cells, and for the 10 nodes we will have the 50 cells. So this ratio will be the 5 times of the number of nodes. And also you can see that the mesh extend in the x and y direction, and you should confirm the domain size should be according to these numbers, and these numbers should be according to the geometry you made in the design modeler or any other software. So you can see here that in the minus x direction the size is minus 13 meters, and in the plus y x direction it's 26 times, so it's around 40 times. So on the upstream side is a 14 or 15 times, and the downstream side is 25 times. And similarly on the y-axis it's 15 times on the upper side and the 15 times on the downside of the chord length.